Hi, I'm here with Alex from Road Ready Wheels Company, and we're at the Transportation Sustainability Expo here in Madison, Wisconsin. And Alex makes replacement wheels for all different kinds of vehicles, and he can do it at substantially less cost. So they're trying to break into some different markets. We've been talking here and thought, hey, let's talk to Alex here and see what he has to offer. So Alex, if I came to you with a pickup truck, a lot of the viewers here have pickup trucks they really like. A lot of times they want different rims. They come to you for something like this. What can you do for them?
So what I can do is, if you got this wheel right here, you get a bend, chip, anything on those lines, and it's just not rocking the quality you need. What we do is we build this exact wheel with our own manufacturing plants to the exact OE specs. So everything meets DOT standards, SAEJ 250 and more. But we were able to do so at a fraction of the price. We utilize that global sourcing as well as our minimal overhead, and we're able to ship these wheels out at a fraction of the charge, free shipping, free returns all across the country.
Okay, what are some of the different markets you're trying to break into, and what markets are you in right now?
So right now we have the heavy retail site. We have a lot of salvage customers, a lot of shops, tire shops, body shops. We'd really like to break into the fleet business, take care of these guys with, a lot of trucks that they need wheels put on at a reasonable price, take care of their fleets in a financially responsible way.
That's cool. Would you care to give out your contact info, website, email, phone number, whatever you want to give out to people?
Absolutely, guys. My name's Alex, Road Ready Wheels. Hop on roadreadywheels.com. Phone number 773-675-7567. Give me a call, shoot me a email, text, get online, talk to our support team. We'll get you set up with a business account, wholesale pricing, completely free, and take care of you guys.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much.
Absolutely. Thanks, Adam.